In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a speed test result link. Whether you're troubleshooting with support, comparing connections with a teammate, or just documenting your network performance, sharing a direct link to your result makes everything faster and clearer. First, head to the official speed test website in your web browser. Any modern browser will work fine. If you want a clean, accurate snapshot, consider pausing large downloads or streams before you begin. That's optional, but it helps reduce background traffic that can skew your numbers. Once the page loads, you'll see the big Go button front and center. Speedtest will automatically choose a nearby server for you. You don't need to change anything unless you have a specific reason to test against a different location. Now, go ahead and run the test. Click Go, then let it complete without switching tabs or starting other online tasks. The test will measure three key things. Ping, sometimes called latency, shows how quickly your connection responds. Download speed indicates how fast you can pull data from the internet, which affects streaming and most browsing. Upload speed shows how fast you can send data out, which matters for video calls, cloud backups, and sending files. The whole test usually takes under a minute, and you'll see the results appear clearly on the page when it's done. With your results on screen, look for the Share option. It's typically located near the summary of your speeds. Click Share, and Speedtest will generate a dedicated link for this exact result. This link is a simple URL that points to your test summary, so anyone who opens it will see the same numbers and details you're seeing now. Next, copy the generated link. You'll usually see a copy or copy link button. Click it once, and the link will be placed on your clipboard. That's it. Your unique result URL is ready to use. If you like, you can quickly confirm you've got the right link by pasting it into your browser's address bar and opening it yourself just to see that it loads the same result page. Keep in mind that shared speed test results may display your internet provider and general server location, so share the link only with people you trust. And you're done. By going to the speed test website, running the test, clicking share after the results appear, and copying the generated link, you now have a quick, reliable way to communicate your exact network performance whenever you need it.